Good evening, students. So today we are going to learn about the JEE advanced question. This is the from circles it is. So the question has like this it is. A circle is inscribed in an equilateral triangle. So question number 10 it is. A circle is inscribed in an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle of side A then find the area of any square find the area of any square inscribed in the circle. Okay, this is the solution here as follows. Before that we have to draw it's a shapes it is, we call it as a circle, and as well as a triangle it is. Next one is square it is. Next one is again circle it is. There are two circles and two triangle, one triangle, two circles and one square and one circle it is going to be this. Now first of all I had to draw triangle. First of all, in this triangle we had to insert a circle it is. Make it as little bigger than this. And just to keep this one is inside again. Therefore circle can be drawn in this case. Next again to take a square, and if you draw this circle in this case it is no first of all this is make it as this circle can be drawn. And just you draw this one, keep it inside. So therefore we draw in this case again. So there are the circle which touches here is from the center to this one. And at the same time one more. Called as a so arc it is, until you can call it as a one radius, called as a radius it is. Next one is So therefore PQRS is any cyclic quadrilateral. We call it as a cyclic quadrilateral is, and by denoting all these things simultaneously it is, and we can draw this one. Okay, close this, and yeah. You can touch this exactly the circle from all the sides of a triangle in this case, right? So but here we should draw again, it is from here. Right, so you can draw this one, it is right. So with this names it is, we call it as let us draw this points is going to be like okay, this is what is as we called as, it's O is the center, O is the center here. This is A and B and C. ABC is a triangle, and this is a radius, we know R from this is center to this end of the small a. The distance is from here to here is a small a, it is. The next thing is this is a smaller again radius it is, so we call this as a P, Q, R and S it is. So PQRS is any triangle, any square, we call it as a cyclic quadrilateral because this R which touches in this case this is points, it is touching at this point, so like PQRS it is. Now as we know this from this explanation part, if you go to the solution here is, the solution here is, see if you take a circle, in this case it is the circle is inscribed in the triangle. So what happens, this is equal to triangle, if it is the side A, this is also A, and here also A it is. So then what happened in this case, whose side, length of the side is equal to length of the side of a triangle is equal to the radius. That radius is equal to, that means whatever the length will be there, that radius will be there. That radius is equal to so from the triangle ABC, what happens is R is equal to, so that is we know equal to triangle root 3 by 2a it is. So root 3 by 2a it is, R is equal to, from because it is area, we call it as the length of the side of a triangle. Each side of a length of a triangle is root 3 by 2a. But here since three sides are equal in this case, when we are going to find out length of the side of a triangle equal to triangle, that is equal to, because of the three sides will be there, for one side it is equal to the rate is 1/3 of, so root 3 by 2 times of a it is, since from three sides it is. So why we are taking 1/3, because this is a 1/3 of the root 3 by 2a length, means it is 1/3 of this length, this is equal to. So if you take radius, means it is 1/3 of this a is the side is this much, that's total from A to B, and you call it as A to C or else B to C it is. But this length is root 3 by 2a of every side of an equal triangle. But to find out the radius, it is 1/3 of equal, because there are three sides in it. We have to find out 1/3, means one side of equilateral triangle is equal to 1/3 of root 3 by 2a, that will give you radius R. Now therefore we have to find out area of the square. Area of the required square is area of the square. Area of the square is equal to, that is PR square by 2. Actually this is, you can call it as a PR square by 2 is nothing but what length of a diagonal it is. You call it as the length of a diagonal. So that is PR square by 2 in this case. That means half of PR square it is. Why half of PR square? Because this is nothing but what it is. You are dividing into two equilateral triangles. It is two triangles. It is two triangles. But your PR is a diagonal. That in this triangle you call it as a radius. It is this is called PR is called as a radius. So that radius is equal to, this is half of radius it is. So one time it is R. So 2 times is nothing but diameter of a circle it is passing through the center of the circle. So therefore what happens in this is O is the center again in this case. O is the center of the circle it is. So therefore PR is the total length. PR is the total length. So PR square is nothing but diagonal of the area of the square it is. Square of the length it is. Square of the diagonal it is. So half times of PR square indicates 1 by 2 times of PR square is equal to, therefore absolute it is radius it is. So 2 times of. So R square is nothing but what? Radius it is. So radius means it is OP square we called as. PR square is equal to 1 by 2 times of OP square, in the sense it is we called as OP square it is. PR is equal to 2 times of, it is going to be here is 2 times of, okay, this is you called as it is. So it will become 2 times of OP square, in this case it is. So 2 times of OP square it is. So therefore 2 times of OP square means it is 2 times of OP square is nothing but what? 2 times of R square it is. Because this PR length is equal to OP plus OP and OR it is. So let us say OP square is equal to, that is 2 times of OP square it is. So 2R square is 2 times of R value is equal to how much it is? So 1/3 of 1 by 9 into, so 3 by 4 times of A square it is. R square, this is R is equal to 1 by 3 third time of root 3 by 2A means it is. So square means it is 1 by 9 times of 3 by 4 times of A square it is. So therefore 3, how many times it is going to be here is 3 times, and 2 ones are 2 twos are. So therefore this is equal to how much is A square by 6. So therefore A square by 6, that area because of the square units it is square units. Thank you.